हॅलो, गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स. आपण काही भाग बघितलेला अगोदर ओव्हरव्ह्यू पण पाहिला आणि आज आपण पोएम 1.1 म्हणजे बी द बेस्ट या पोएम कडे जाणार आहोत. पोएम खूप छान आहे आणि खूप चांगला मेसेज देणारी आहे. आपले लक्ष लिंग्विस्टिक स्किल्स कडे असायला पाहिजे, म्हणजे लँग्वेज स्किल कडे असायला पाहिजे, हे आपण लक्षात ठेवा. मेसेज महत्वाचा आहे, त्याबरोबर लँग्वेज स्किल्स महत्वाचे आहेत, म्हणजे आपल्याला त्या लँग्वेज स्किल कडे लक्ष द्यायचं आहे. पोएम पाहूया, बी द बेस्ट. त्या अगोदर पोएटची माहिती थोडीशी. डगलस मॅलोक, a poet, May 5, 1877 and death July 2nd, 1938. Okay, date of birth May 5, 1877 and death July 2nd, 1938. Was an American poet. He was an American poet. He was a short story writer, and also he was an associate editor of American Lumberman. What is it? A trade paper in Chicago. He was known as Lumberman's poet, both locally and nationally. He was well known in his times. He is noted for writing Round River Drive and Be the Best of Whatever You Are. Okay, these two creations, in addition to many other creations. He has created so many things, written so many things, and these two are the best. He was commissioned to write the Michigan State Song. Okay. He was appointed to write the Michigan State Song. So he is very famous, Douglas Malloch. Let's move to the chit chat activity first. Okay, first, have you got a prize in any competition? तुम्हाला आतापर्यंत कोणत्या कॉम्पिटिशन मध्ये प्राइज मिळालंय का? You should say that I have got a prize in running competition, I have got prize in singing competition, I have got prize in dance competition or sports, whatever you can mention. But you should answer in a complete sentence. How did you feel at the time? At the time. If you feel very happy, you should say, I felt very happy. So did word is there in past tense. The answer should be in past tense. I felt very happy at that time. I felt extremely happy at the time. Whatever. Have you ever failed in your efforts? Failing is quite possible. If you said, I have failed, you can mention. If you haven't, you should mention like this. I have never failed in my effort. Okay, whatever is. But failing in our effort is quite possible. Do you think we should accept the success as well as failure? Yes, we should accept. I think we should accept the success as well as failure. If failure is there, we should correct our action and we should restart the action and we should accept it. What will be your reaction if you are not selected in team? You are not selected in the team. It is, I may feel bad enough, but it's quite possible. We should accept the failure. I should try again and select the next attempt. Okay, you can put your own views. What will be your reaction if you are not selected in a team? I hope you have understood this one, but you should write these questions and their answers in your notebook. Okay, let's move to the next. Read aloud the following sets of words: river, stream, sea, ocean. And further next rearrange each of the above sets of words according to increasing order of their size or growth. Which is the smallest? Stream, then river, then sea, then ocean. You should arrange these words and write in A. Hill, stone, mountain, rock. First of all, the smallest is stone, then bigger is rock, then bigger than rock is hill, then last is mountain. Sea, plant, sapling, tree, seed. The smallest is seed, then sapling, then plant, then tree. D, child, adult, baby, youth. What would you do? First of all, smallest baby, then child, then youth, then adult. You should mention like this. Let's move to the next activity. It is a story. In your pre-primary classes, you must have learned the story of the lion and the mouse. Read it in English and fill in the gap using words given in the box. A lion was sleeping in a what? Some words are given here. Have, angrily, caught, forest, mouse, kill, roared, free, chewed, heard, and laughed. You have to use these words in the blank spaces. A lion was sleeping in a forest. You should mention a forest. A lion was sleeping in a forest. So right here, forest. A mouse started playing on him. Okay. The lion got up. How? Angrily. So got up angrily. He caught the mouse and was ready to what? Kill it. The mouse. Kill the mouse or kill it. The Dadash begged. The mouse begged the lion to leave it. What should be the mouse? The mouse begged the lion to leave it and said that someday it would what? Help lion. Someday it would help lion. The lion Dadash and let it go. The lion laughed and let it go. The lion laughed and let it go. One day, the lion was Dadash in a net set up by hunters. Lion was caught in the net set up by hunters. He dashed loudly. He roared loudly. He roared loudly as he tried too hard to escape. The mouse dashed the lion. The mouse heard the lion and came. It, it chewed up the net with its sharp teeth and set the lion free. This is about the story. And here it is again said that you should mention the moral of the story. You know the name of the story, but a moral of the story. What have we learned? We have learned two things. One, anybody can help any in difficulty. Second, whoever it be, whatever size, we should help each other, and these kind deeds always get rewarded. Okay, it comes back to us. We should help. This is what the story. I want you to write the story and underline the blank spaces and fill in the blank spaces and write it again in your notebook. Write the name of the story and also moral of the story. Okay, let's move to the story. Let's move to the poem. Be the best. If you can't be a pine on the top of hill, be a scrub in the valley, but be the best little scrub by the side of the reel. Be a bush if you can't be a tree. Message is here. Let's understand line by line. If you can't be a pine on the top of hill, pine, a pine tree. I have given the picture here on your right hand side. Pine tree, big tree. Where is the pine tree? On the top of the hill. If you can't become a pine tree on the top of hill, be a scrub in the valley. जर तुम्हाला मोठा पाईन ट्री नाही होता आला तर स्क्रब व्हा. स्क्रब म्हणजे छोटीशी खुरटी वनस्पती असते जी व्हॅलीमध्ये तुम्हाला सापडते. छोटीशी असते, खुरटी असते, म्हणजे आकाराने लहान. तुम्हाला मोठं काहीतरी होता नाही आलं तर हरकत नाही, छोटं व्हा. बट बी द बेस्ट लिटल स्क्रब by the side of reel. But reel means what? Reel means a stream. एक छोटासा प्रवाह जो वाहतो व्हॅली मधून, त्याच्या बाजूचे तुम्ही स्क्रब व्हा. Be a bush if you can't be a tree. जर तुम्हाला ट्री नाही होता आलं तर बुश व्हा. छोटस झाड, छोटस खुरटी वनस्पती तुम्ही व्हा. Okay. Here the poet wants to say that no problem if you can't become very big. It is equally important. It is of equal importance that being small, but you should try your best to exceed your performance. You should try your best to become best whatever you are. Okay. If you can't be a bush, be a bit of grass, and some highway make happier, and some highway happier make. If you can't be a muskie, then just be a bass, but the loveliest bass in the lake. The second stanza. If you can't be a bush, be a bit of grass. तुम्हाला बुश होता नाही आलं तर काय हरकत नाही, ग्रास बना छोटासा. ग्रास गवत, बुश म्हणजे छोटासा एक प्लांट मोठा होता नाही आला तुम्हाला तर ग्रास बना, नो प्रॉब्लेम. बट सम हायवे मेक हॅपियर अँड सम हायवे मेक हॅपियर. इन्व्हर्जन आहे. इन्व्हर्जन म्हणजे काय की जाणीवपूर्वक जी प्रोज ऑर्डर असते ती बदललेली असते. इथे काय अँड मेक सम हायवे हॅपियर असं वाक्य असायला पाहिजे, पण इन्व्हर्जन म्हणजे अलंकार आहे, फिगर्स ऑफ स्पीच. अँड मेक सम हायवे हॅपियर, दिस इज द करेक्ट प्रोज ऑर्डर. कवी कधी जाणीवपूर्वक वाक्यरचना बदलतो, त्याला अपेक्षित असलेला इफेक्ट मिळवण्यासाठी किंवा त्याची रचना बदलतो, त्याला जे रायमिंग बसवण्यासाठी. तर आपण त्याला फिगर्स ऑफ स्पीच म्हणतो. अलंकार असतो, त्याची चूक नसते. ती ग्रॅमॅटिकली ती चूक वाटते, पण ती चूक नाही. कवीने केलेली चूक त्याला आपण अलंकार. ओके. ती प्रोज आहे, प्रोज ऑर्डर त्याने जाणीवपूर्वक चुकीची लिहिली आहे. अँड मेक सम हायवे हॅपियर. तर हे वाक्य आलं तर तुम्हाला फिगर्स ऑफ स्पीच कोणतं लिहायचं? इन्व्हर्जन. मेक सम हायवे हॅपियर इज द करेक्ट, बट हिअर ही रोट सम हायवे हॅपियर. ग्रास बनलं तर हरकत नाही, पण कोणत्या हायवेला तुम्ही हॅपियर बनवा. इफ यू कांट बी अ मस्की देन जस्ट बी अ बास. लक्षात घ्या, दोन शब्द आहेत. बास हा साऊंडच्या बाबतीत, म्युझिकच्या बाबतीत पण असतो, पण ज्यावेळेस म्युझिकच्या बाबतीत होतं बास साऊंड न म्हणता बेस्ट साऊंड बोलतात. फिशच्या बाबतीत असेल तर बास साऊंड, आणि म्युझिकच्या बाबतीत असेल तर बेस्ट साऊंड. ओके. शब्दाचं स्पेलिंग तेच आहे, फक्त उच्चार वेगळा आहे. ते बास फिश, बेस हा म्युझिकच्या बाबतीतला बेस. ओके. इफ यू कांट बी अ मस्की, मस्की एक मोठा फिश, इथे तुम्हाला चित्रामध्ये दिसते तो मस्की fish, bigger fish, but the loveliest bass in the lake. If you can't become musky, then just be a bass, but the loveliest bass in the lake. मोठा मासा नाही होता आला तर छोटा होऊया, पण सगळ्यात सुंदर छोटा होऊया. इथून पण आपल्याला तोच मेसेज मिळतो. व्हॉट एव्हर यू डू, यू शुड ट्राय टू एक्सेल युअर परफॉर्मन्स. यू शुड ट्राय टू इम्प्रूव्ह युअर परफॉर्मन्स. ओके. इथे पहिल्या स्टँजामध्ये पण आपल्या लक्षात आलं की तिथे कशा प्रकारे रायमिंग वर्ड्स होते. आणि इथे सुद्धा लक्षात येईल की ग्रास, बास, मेक, लेक अशा प्रकारचे रायमिंग वर्ड्स आले. ग्रास अँड बास सेम आहे, म्हणून आपण सगळ्या दोघांना ए दिले आणि मेकला आणि लेकला बी अक्षर दिलं तर राईम स्कीम तयार होईल. ए बी अशा प्रकारची राईम स्कीम तयार होईल. Okay, have you understood this? Okay, let's move to the next. We can't all be captains. We have got to be crew. Captain and crew. Captains म्हणजे जहाजाचा कॅप्टन किंवा विमानातील जो पायलट असतो तसे. And we have to be crew. We have got to be crew. Crew means employees. म्हणजे जे कामगार वर्ग असतात जहाजावरचा क्र्यू. केबिन क्र्यू आपण बोलतो, केबिन मध्ये असले क्र्यू किंवा केबिनच्या बाहेरचे क्र्यू. कॅप्टन्स, सगळ्यांना कॅप्टन्स होणं शक्य नाही, मग काही नाही क्र्यू पण व्हायला हरकत नाही. देयर इज समथिंग फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस हिअर. आपल्या सगळ्यांसाठी काही ना काहीतरी नक्कीच आहे. देयर इज अ वर्क फॉर अस. देयर इज अ बिग वर्क टू डू, देयर इज अ लेसर टू डू. काही कामं मोठी असतात, काही कामं छोटी असतात. ओके, ऑल टाइप ऑफ वर्क इज देयर. And the task you must do is the near. तुम्हाला काम करायचं पण काम तुमच्या जवळच आहे. You should think of it and you should start your work. He wants to say that all type of work is same. It has equal importance. But whatever you do, you should put all your efforts in your work. The word task means work. I told you meaning of crew means employee. The lesser means of a less importance. What is there for all of us? Task is there for all of us. Work is there for all of us. What type of work is there to do? There is a big work to do. There is a lesser work to do, or work of less importance to do. Where we will find our task? We will find a task very near to us. Then rhyming words: crew, do, here, near. If you can't become a captain, what should we become? We should become crew. Okay, cabin crew. Next, if you can't be a highway, then just be a trail. If you can't be a highway, just be a trail. Trail, to your right hand side there is a trail. I have given in the picture. छोटासा रस्ता, trail, जो पायवाट म्हटलं तरी चालेल. If you can't become highway, then just be a trail. तुम्हाला highway नाही होता आला. Highway is also shown here, but you know very well what are highways. We have expressways also. If you can't become a highway, तुम्हाला मोठा हायवे नाही होता आला हरकत नाही, छोटीशी ट्रेल बना. ट्रेल म्हणजे पायवाट. If you can't be the sun, be a star. Here again the same thing with a different example. Sun नाही होता आलं तर हरकत नाही, स्टार व्हा. It isn't by size that you win or you fail, you win or you lose. साइज वर नाही डिपेंड करत की तुम्ही विन होता की फेल होता. So it depends on what? It depends on how you put your effort by doing your work. Be the best whatever you are. It does not matter if you are not a highway. It's a matter that how you try to prove yourself. Be the best whatever you are. छोटा जरी असलं तर हरकत नाही, तुम्ही जे कोणी असाल पण ते बेस्ट असण्याचा प्रयत्न करा. Okay, this is what given in this beautiful poem. We have got message from this poem. What message? Message from the poem: it is not necessary to do only very big things. It is important to do something seriously. Size of the work is not important, but the effort we put doing the work is of utmost important. बी द बेस्ट हे एक्सप्रेशन आपल्याला बऱ्याच ठिकाणी आलं आहे आणि काही काही ठिकाणी तुम्हाला अलिट्रेशन सापडेल, म्हणजे एकच साऊंड परत 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 आलेलं आहे हे तुम्हाला सापडेल. ओके, इफ you will point it down, be the best. Okay, and this expression is repeated so many times. Read the words names given below, put the big size and bigger ones in a big circle and smaller ones in a small circle. इथे दोन शब्द दिले आहेत, कोणता बिग आणि कोणता स्मॉल हे आपल्याला ज्यावेळेस स्मॉल आणि बिग दोन जवळ जवळ असतील त्यावेळेस ते आपल्याला कळतात, नाही तर कळणार नाही. Musky कसा आहे? Big. Tree big. Pine big. Lake big. Bus small. Bush small. Highway big. Scrub small. A reel big. Sun big. Star small. Trail small. Okay. We have seen the meaning of every. Okay. तुम्हाला काय करायचं त्याच्यामध्ये स्मॉल मध्ये काही शब्द आणि बिग मध्ये काही शब्द. मग जे स्मॉल तुम्हाला वाटतं ते स्मॉल मध्ये, जे बिग वाटतं ते बिग मध्ये लिहायचं. ओके. इथे रील स्मॉल की बिग हे त्यांनी सांगितलेलं नाही, पण तुम्हाला जे वाटतं की रील आहे स्मॉल वाटतं स्मॉल मध्ये लिहूया. ओके. हायवे are always big, so you should put. Musky is always big, so you could put in big. Pine big, so you should put it in big. Tree big, then you should put it in big circle. Okay, let's move to the next activity. Find and write the rhyming pairs. I know that you know very well what are the rhyming pairs. See different pairs from the poem and write them. Then complete the following with the appropriate words and phrases from the poem. The first one is done for you. If you can't be a pine, be a scrub, no problem. Let's see second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. If you can't be a tree, be a bush. If you can't be musky, be a bus. If you can't be a captain, be a crew. Then if you can't be a highway, be a trail. And if you can't be a sun, be a star. This is very easy. Just fill it and write in your notebooks. Okay. Then write whether the following are true or false. All must be captains of the team. Not necessary. So false. A bit of grass can make a highway happier. True. We win or fail depending on size or position. False. Scrub is found at the top of hill. False. Scrub is found in the valley. If your work is not important, do it. Don't do it. False. Every work is important. We should try to excel in our performance. Whatever job you have, do your best. This is the message from poem, so we should write it as a true. Okay, let's move to the next. Appreciation of the poem with the help of the points given below. The title of the poem, Be the Best. The poem is written by असं म्हणण्यापेक्षा composed by असं असायला पाहिजे, कारण कविता रचली जाते, लिहिली जात नाही फक्त. It's a spontaneous overflow, a powerful feeling. मग ती रचली जाते. And जसं आहे तसं ठेवलं तरी पण हरकत नाही. The poem is written by Douglas Malloch. The poem has 4 stanzas, and each stanza has 4 lines. The lines that rhyme in each stanza are 4. The poet compares big things with small things. 6th, the address is repeated. The expression in the poem, be the best, is repeated in the poem. Line, I shall always remember, the last 2 lines. Okay. No matter our size, whatever you do, you should do it at best. Okay. Then let's move. Thank you. I hope you have understood each and everything. If there is any problem, write me in the comment box so that I can answer all of your questions. Bye bye.